Okay, so I need to take off my glasses because I look like a nerd with it. So I'm sorry I did not upload anything for 2 weeks. I had a friend over to Oahu and I was pretty occupied, not gonna lie. So I took a break. You know, a break is good. We all need a break sometimes. Anyway, Matt was like driving and actually, long story short, I tried to fix Matt's brake line a few weeks ago, right? And then he got it fixed, and then another one, just the completely different side, also breaks. Same issue, like literally the brake line rips, like ripped. My uncle used to tell me Mitsubishi has such a bad brake problem, and then I'm just witnessing this right now. Mitsubishi, what the f are you doing? Like, this is your literally last generation sports car and you're doing this. And it turns out, Matt's EVO friends also said that they have a couple guys having the same exact issue. So the lines are kind of like out of stock everywhere, which is kind of insane. But I told him, you know, you should just change it all to braided brake lines, and then he got it. We put it on a jack right now, so we're just gonna take off the wheel, and I'm gonna probably make Matt take off the wheel, and then he's gonna film me do everything. You know, you guys been asking for EVO content, so here you are. You're getting the EVO content.
Broken EVO content.
Broken EVO.
Broken EVO content.
But anyway, if you guys want to keep on watching, keep on watching. Let's get right in.
One, two, three, funk it.
Alright, so I did passenger side so far. This is how it looks. Came out pretty nice. There was some hiccups. Took us like an hour and a half for some reason. But I'm pretty sure I can do the other side pretty quick. So this is how it looks. The front. People with the coilovers, I don't think this like bracket thing can able to hold itself with the strap, so make sure so I zip tied it so that it doesn't move around. And yeah, make sure you route it like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Basically what I did, came out from here, went down, went around, go through here and come back around again, go through that, and then go through the caliper. So okay, we're gonna do the other side now. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so first thing first, you wanna loosen this flare bolt right here. This is where it connects from the chassis side of line and then goes down to you know, your calipers, right? So you don't wanna take this clip off. I would just loosen it right now. So it was 10 millimeter here. All the flare bolts on this car was 10 millimeter. Someone on the YouTube were like, it's 11. It's not 11, it's 10. It's 10. And also you can buy this at Daiso for like $1.50. This is a flare bolt wrench. I think I bought it from Daiso. I recommend using the flare ones because I stripped mine before and it's such a pain, so I would try not to use a regular open crescent wrench. Anyway, so you gotta do right, lefty, loosey, right? So just there you go. Okay, so now it's loose already. But you want to loose it to the point where it's like decently loose. You want to take this clip off, right? What I do, I just use this, just work your way out.
An EVO.
Oh, I got it. I
Alright,
got it. I
so
got
this
it.
is this is that small piece, so it's stuck
Yes,
underneath.
yes. It's so weird because usually when you're taking this off, you're gonna hit it from this way with a hammer and a chisel, and it comes out. But for some reason, this part is facing towards the chassis. How the hell are you gonna take this off? 12mm bolt right here attached with this bracket thing.
It's so hard to see. See what's going on here.
Okay, you see there's a bolt right here. This is where we're gonna take it off because this is where it's attached and it's 12mm. Okay. Oh, how come it's so loose? Alright. Now that I disconnect it, I'm going to actually disconnect here first, and then I'm gonna put the new brake line already so that it doesn't drip everywhere. Let's do that. Okay.
Oh, we doing good?
We're doing great.
Half is finished. Half of it is finished.
Halfway.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, at that rate, you guys will be here till midnight then.
No, we're almost done.
Oh, was that bad? Change all the lighting.
Well, I'm not just gonna change one. I'm not just gonna change one line. I'm gonna change all of them.
Yeah, I know.
But it was that one that was broken.
Oh, the front one.
Yeah.
Dude, there's no like oil coming out.
And I will zip it and buy it for you.
Food. Oh, you want zippies, Asher?
Sure, I'll take some zippies.
Huh?
I'll take some zippies
Okay.
if it's okay.
Buy what do you want from Zippies?
Korean fried chicken.
Huh?
Korean fried chicken plate.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, I didn't even talk. I was tightening it.
Yeah, that's okay.
And then you're gonna put this back. It's a little like, it doesn't fit perfectly, so like, don't worry if it doesn't. Okay,
Now it fits.
now it's attached. Now, because I took this part off, the mount, I'm going to disconnect it, and there's a, I think this is an ABS cable also. And then put the ABS cable back in place.
You know, I'm surprised my car is still relatively clean for how long it was sitting outside, not moving.
I think it hasn't rained, that's why. You know that car? My new car?
It's been sitting
it sits
outside.
outside now. Yeah.
Oh,
It parks on the top floor where the
where it's open.
yeah. I wasn't speaking. Okay, so now that I attached everything, right? So I'm disconnecting the brake line from the caliper right now. It's 14mm for the stock bolt. In this kit that Matt bought comes with 12mm bolt, so even if you don't have the 14 later on and for some reason you need to
Stop tick.
And then this banjo bolt comes with 2 washers. You put a washer in and you sandwich it with this. You sandwich it. Oh.
Just like that. Just like that.
Wait, I can't grab the washer. Help.
The washer's on the ground, just grab it.
Okay, so salvage the banjo bolt and make sure you look at the direction where this is going. And make sure to tighten this part, but don't tighten it
Too tight. Yeah, sure.
Okay. I think that's good. All right, we good. We done. We done on the rear. Okay. Okay, you guys see what I just did? Hiddenpalmtree garage. Chill. Now this is the real problem because you see that? You see that? Shishi everywhere.
Now this is where the problem lies. This is the
shishi
problem,
over
child.
Suddenly I don't know the direction.
Suddenly, I lost my sense of direction.
That did not sound so pleasing. The front, you see, I'm working my way up again. So this one's a little bit more tricky. I think for most of you, if you have EVO X, it comes with this bracket thing, and then you see the line comes down here and then loops around. It goes through this bracket and comes back around again to the top part of the bracket, and then comes out, and there's another mount here, and then it goes back into the caliper, right? Where is it leaking from?
I don't know.
It's pretty oily here. I think it's your line, your first line. So well, this is the line that he actually, it exploded.
I was driving normally, like a good old Samaritan, and this shit happens to me all the time.
It happens all the time. This is the second time.
No, but I feel like I always run.
Hey,
I always run into stupid problems.
I think like me doing this on my left hand is just not the move.
Not it, chief.
Oh, brada. Dude,
Oh, bruh.
this side is not even like mounted to anything. Sketch.
Maybe that's why it snapped.
No, it's not.
Well, you said it was a line that snapped?
It's this one. Yeah, could be. Besides the caliper bolts, caliper brake line bolts. So I'm just loosening everything up right now.
Did something happen?
Yo, you're seeing this with the light? You seen this?
Is that where the problem is?
That's where the problem is. Just snapped.
Ah, yeah, that's where the problem is. Right there.
Yo, what?
How did this even happen?
I don't know. See, it's kind of loose. Now.
Don't tell me there's one more lap. We're at the finish line.
Oh, we still gotta bleed the brakes.
Yeah, but that's a lot easier than this.
That's true. I'm going to loosen the caliper. Okay. Oh god.
Oh man.
Oh man. Look at that. Beautiful.
It's okay.
Let's see something.
You want to eat and then bleed the brakes, or you want to bleed the brakes and
We
then?
need to eat first, bro.
Okay.
Wow, it's hot.
It's cooked all the way through, dog. It's not. You can't get a LuKremBo with like over hard. Like, what is this? He might
not
have
alright.
he might have did.
That's okay though.
Oh, you did. If you don't want it.
No. You want mac salad? You like mac salad?
Why not?
Yeah, I don't like.
Dude,
mac
Zippy's
salad.
mac salad is probably the best.
Oh.
Not gonna lie.
Korean chicken fries? Alright. Okay.
Okay, so brakes are good.
There's it stops. Oh.
Does it stop?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. There's a car coming. Oh my god. I have to move.
Oh my god.
I have to move. Okay.
You're freaking out
Oh
right
my
now.
god.